Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for $3,000 monthly income. To begin with, the first step is to set a clear income goal. In this example, the target is to earn $3,000 per month from dividends. Since dividends are often planned on an annual basis, we multiply $3,000 by 12 months. As a result, the annual dividend income goal becomes $36,000 per year. Next, we use the core formula to calculate the portfolio value needed for this income goal. The formula is very simple. Required portfolio value equals annual dividend income goal divided by dividend yield. So, if your annual dividend goal is $36,000, your target portfolio will depend on the dividend yield you expect from your investments. After that, we calculate the required portfolio at different dividend yields. If the dividend yield is 3%, you may need around $1,200,000 to generate $3,000 per month. If the yield is 4%, the required portfolio becomes around $900,000. If the yield is 5%, the required portfolio becomes around $720,000. And if the yield is 6%, the required portfolio becomes around $600,000. However, it is important to understand that a higher yield lowers the portfolio size needed, but it may also come with higher risk depending on the investment. Therefore, investors should not only focus on the highest yield. They should also consider dividend stability, company quality, business strength, and long-term sustainability. Now, let's look at the example calculation using a 4% dividend yield. The annual income goal is $36,000. The dividend yield is 4%, or 0.04. So, $36,000 divided by 0.04 equals $900,000. This means that, at a 4% dividend yield, you may need about a $900,000 portfolio to earn $3,000 per month in dividend income. Furthermore, a quick approximation can help you estimate the target faster. First, multiply your monthly income goal by 12 to get the annual income goal. Then, divide the annual income goal by the dividend yield. For example, $36,000 divided by 3% equals $1,200,000. $36,000 divided by 4% equals $900,000. And $36,000 divided by 5% equals $720,000. Therefore, the key takeaway is that your dividend wealth target depends heavily on the dividend yield. For a $3,000 monthly dividend goal, you may need somewhere between $600,000 and $1,200,000, depending on the yield. A 4% yield gives a target close to $900,000, while a lower yield requires a larger portfolio. In addition, reinvesting dividends and adding new money regularly can help you reach the target faster. Consistent investing, time, and portfolio growth can make a big difference when building dividend income for the long term. Finally, remember the core formula. Required portfolio value equals annual dividend goal divided by dividend yield. In this example, the income goal is $3,000 per month, which equals $36,000 per year. This is a simplified educational estimate. Actual dividend yields, stock prices, taxes, and portfolio results may vary, so always do your own research and consider professional advice before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.